Hey everyone, it's me Suchita. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. This is the second part of the data scientist video. If you have not seen the first part, just go check it out. I'll post the link in the I button at the top as well as in the description box. So let's start this video. In the last video, we have discussed about the eligibility criteria, the pay scale, what all the required thing you need with subject, and what kind of interest you must be having to become a data scientist. Now in this video I'm going to talk about what are the courses and training you must consider to do if you want to get a job of data scientist in India right in 2021. Let's start today's video. If you are new to the channel, do consider subscribing to the channel, plus give a thumbs up if you like the video for whatsoever reasons. Okay, the first course which I'm talking about is the free course. See, for example, you are a beginner one, you just try to get a course, you try to get the basic knowledge about the data science. So this is the must course you need to try. So what you need to do, you need to go to Google, just write cognitive classes. Now you can see the first option, which is a data science and cognitive computing course. Click here. Now when you reach here, you can see the home screen. Click on the courses. When you click on the courses, I do suggest, can you see this Python for data scientists? This is a very nice course and this is a basic course. Other than that, introduction to data science. And if you will check, there are many other courses which are the beginner level courses. So click on data science here. Now can you see introduction to data science methodology, data science tool, data science with open data, Python is, I do recommend, please do give it a try. This is a very important course and it's going to help you benefit you in future in your job. So Python for data science with Scala, end-to-end data science on Cloud Pack. These all are the free courses. Now when I'm using the word free, you must be have a doubt about the authenticity of the course. Go to Coursera. I think you must be aware about the Coursera website. Go to Coursera and do check out the same course, especially the Python for data science one. This is the same course. Go and check on Coursera. It with the same data, same modules are there in Coursera, but there you need to pay for the course. But here on this website, it is completely free of cost. Now, the second thing which come in the mind, if the course is free, you will not get a certificate for that particular course. No, this is the course which is available with all the particular information, plus you will get a certificate at the end of this course. So, but you need to appear for the exam. I'll tell you all the details what you need to do to get the certificate also. And believe me, it is equally you can say valuable and equally verified course as like the Coursera course. And if you have the skills, I don't think it's matter from where you have done the course, if you know all the details, all the knowledge which you are going to get from the course. So let's start. Go to class. You can just 1 minute. Now you can see course number. This is the course number which I'm showing you. This is a self-paced course. If you are working somewhere, you can do it whatever time you are suitable for you. You can start now. You will complete half an hour course now. Then you come back, go somewhere, and then you do it again. So in total, you need to spend 3 hours on this particular course. Then the course level, as I told you, it's a beginner level course. The language is English. All these courses are available in English language. And these are the modules, and these are the topics which are available on the particular module. Now can you see in the general information, this course is free, it is self-paced, it can be taken anytime. There's no time foundation that you need to start now and finish within. No, you start now, you do the half an hour course, you go, you do your important stuff, you come back, then you continue with the course. So it's totally a self-paced according to your time suitability. The time you are free, you can do it. Now there is only one chance. Yes, do consider it. Do it with full presence of mind, so that you will able to solve the questions which are available at the end of the course. So it's only one chance. If you will fail in the first chance, if you will not able to clear in the first chance, then you need to pay for it. So what are the skills which are available? Basic math is, and these are the course staff, all the information. Python for data science instructor, this is the person who's have created this course, and these all are the contributions. So that's about the course. Now check how we'll do it. Go to the class. Now I'm going to the class. Now you can see one more important thing I want to show you. These are all the modules. You just need to click, and this is a final exam here which you need to appear at the end of the course survey, feedback, and at the end you will get this completion certificate and badge. Now the most important thing, click here. For example, I want to show you this one, the first one. For example, this is a video, welcome video, which is in the first module. Now can you see here the option download video file? Yes, this is the option, download video file, or you can download it as a download text. Now you don't have to make the notes, you don't have to make the handwritten notes for this course. You can just download the videos and keep it ready for the end, or you can just review it again, all the videos or the text, whatever format you are comfortable. So just review it from there, and then you can appear in the exam, the final exam. So that's how you can do it. So these all the courses are free of cost, equally authentic, and very suitable for the beginner level. So I hope you will like this. Do it, give it a try. Now the second course, which is the payable course, for example, you have done the beginner level. Now you can do the second one. This one is the paid one, but you really wanna looking for some jobs, you know the basic knowledge from cognitive classes. Now you want to do some advanced course. Give it a try at that time. That you need to go to Google again. Can you see here, Learning Harvard? You need to click this one. When I click Learning Harvard, you need to come down. You see here, just one second. Yeah, so this is the one, online courses, Harvard University. Yes, you can't believe it. These are the courses, these are the payable courses, but are directly available from the Harvard University. The name itself will explain the value and the authenticity of the course, because these are the courses, these are the certificate you will get directly from Harvard University, and you can do it by sitting at your home, but yes, by paying some amount of fees. So I'll click here. Can you see this? Now I'll go to view all courses, and then you need to go to the subject area. Now here you can see the data science. I do recommend for you go to the data science option, or you can go for the programming. Both have the good options of the courses which are equally fit for the job eligibility of the data science. So I'll click on data science. So these are the courses which are available for data science. So for example, I'll check this one. These are in the trending, because obviously it's a highly payable job in India. So these obviously, or not even in India, all over the globe. Now this is the course, 4-week long duration, 2 to 4 hours per week, and this is the value. Yes, audit for free, add a verified certificate for. See, now this point I want to explain. This course is also free of cost if you just want to get the knowledge, but if you want to get the certificate, you need to pay for that. So $249 is the cost of, obviously it's Harvard University. The certificate itself has a brand. So you just want to enhance your skills, you just want to get the knowledge, you can go for the free option. Just go to that and you can take it. But if you would just want to get the certificate, you need to go for the paid option. This one 249 US dollar. So it's up to you. You check both the options, both are online option. Okay, this is all about the online courses. Now, if I'll talk about the offline courses, if you want to do the face-to-face courses, face-to-face training, then you do consider some of the institutes which are available in India, and these are IIT Delhi, IIM Bangalore, Great Lake Institute of Chennai, SCMHRD Pune, Symbiosis Pune, School of Management and Studies Hyderabad. So these are the popular institute who are offering the data science offline short-term courses. Like some of the courses, some of the certificate courses are a few weeks, some are few months, and some are like one and a half year. So it's totally depend on you which kind of course you want to do. I've given you option for the online free course, online paid course, and you can go face to face and you can check according to your budget of your pocket, you can do the course. So that's all for this video. I hope you really like the video if you are going to become make your career in data science. So please give it a thumbs up. Do subscribe to the channel because I'm making all the videos just for you to add a skill in your life. Try to make it useful for you guys. So give it a thumbs up and motivate me to make more content, more videos for you. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching the video. Have a nice day. Stay safe, stay inside, stay safe from corona. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye.